Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to make the art from brick Brazilian barbecue. If you miss algebra class, don't worry, I will show you what you do. Now I show you in the video how to cut the angle with brick. Just come with me. Hey guys, today is 20th of May 2020. Our reinforcement bar, when you put the reinforcement bar, the fire don't make a crack in the middle between the bricks. Now I'll talk about the art from the Brazilian barbecue. Hold the level, no measuring, everything right. Put this here. Between until the arc 60 centimeters to see your meat. Okay, window. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 for start the arc. In this way, switch, plug over here to put inside the barbecue light. When you make your barbecue, it's a possible turn on to E é isso aí. E assim vou terminando o arco. In this part of the video, I will explain how you cut the brick in this angle and made the art. Come with me. And the first, to cut, you need the angle grinder. I will leave the angle grinder here. Okay. Why I need this machine, this tool, to make the job? Because you need to cut the brick and this size and this angle. It's very difficult. It's possible, but I think so. It's very difficult. Cut two angle or just close the arch. I think so. It's better two different bricks. Here I put 15 centimeter, just measure 15 centimeter here. Centimeter, and pass this here. Yes, that's fine. Okay. Now angle grind, cut this place, cut this, and the same here. Come with me, I will explain better. This window, for operation window, it's about 62 centimeter for 62 centimeter. Why? Yes. How close? The moment to close is about 56 centimeter. They start to close the arch. For me, it's not easy because I made all these parts in the same day. Inside here I have a reinforcement bar through the all windows, and here and this right for the same way, same level, because it's more beautiful, more it's a from Brazilian traditional Brazilian barbecue. Have a lot different way to make the art. This is from Brazil, Brazilian way for Brazilian barbecue. I put one brick in the middle. It three this way, three this way. How size this size? It's about 6.5. It's the same size from one brick. 6.5. In this layer, for first I put, when I close this, it's the same level. It's the same. Look the bubble inside. It's more important. It's more important. And this size is the same size for brick. It's I will try make this art with wood, but it's possible, you see the wood broke. I made the iron as a better, and I put under this, it is wood, but if you don't have wood, just put the brick inside, half brick, it's okay. Look like this way, over here, it's the same space. In this layer, I push 2 centimeters and a half to front, and the next layer 2.5 back. Yeah, all this layer back until for the first layer, the chimney going up. If you have any question, think below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.